broadcasting. Let's make sure everything is everything, ladies and gentlemen. Mic is on. Let's cut that media source on. Get a little tunes in there. Let's put those tunes in there, ladies and gentlemen. And what we came to talk about, y'all know what we came to talk about. Let me pull up the live stream here on my phone so I can communicate with you guys. Let me plug up the phone so it doesn't die. Yeah, usually we do these live streams, but only YouTube members being able to comment, ladies and gentlemen. But on this topic, I want everyone to let me know what they're thinking about this one. You're just letting a few more people get in here. Don't forget to share this link, ladies and gentlemen, so we can get as many Mullineers in this live stream as possible. Because this is nuts, ladies and gentlemen. We got 2 people in here. Don't forget to smash that like button on your way in. It really does help the channel grow, by the way. With that being said, though, we got 2 people watching. Let's go to Muln. Let's talk about it. Yo, Sammy, what's going on? Happy that you made it. Just waiting for a few more people to get in, guys. We only got 2 people watching. I'm more than likely you didn't get a notification for this live stream. I don't know why YouTube is doing this to us. Well, to me, I don't know what others are going through, but yeah, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about it. Getting hammered, yeah, heavily. Once Lawrence came on the screen for his live stream, that's when the stock tanked. When Lawrence actually, when Lawrence stated that he was going live in 5 minutes, I knew all hell was going to break loose because he said he wasn't saying anything. So when he decided to say he was going live in 5 minutes, I instantly knew, he's dropping a bombshell. Yo, Lonnie, what's going on? Happy you came in. Who else is in here? We got 2 people that comment, Lonnie and Sammy. Don't forget to smash that like button on your way in, ladies and gentlemen, so we can get this video out to others. We only got 7 watching. We're trying to let a few more people get in here before I break it all down to you. I know a lot of people was saying, Obi, you was the only YouTuber that didn't pump this news up. And the only reason why I didn't give any price target on this, ladies and gentlemen, is because I didn't know if it was real or not. Also, I knew that a $10 billion deal with MAEO wasn't going to have any effect on Mullen's market cap. And I'm going to be explaining to that as well. A lot of things that people was going off seemed as though that they didn't understand how the market actually worked. And it was very nerve-wracking to me because people was commenting on the videos as if they knew what they were talking about. Such as that MAEO was going to land Mullen a $5 billion market cap. But people didn't know. There's a lot of new novice traders out there. MAEO is a investment of Mullen, ladies and gentlemen. So anything, any return or any revenue generated off of that will result into what? Cash on hand for operations, for future endeavors. And we would have seen huge speculative buying off of that for sure, because not only do I think that is all Mullen needs to succeed, and that is a large lump sum of money to put that Mullen 5 in mass production, also to speed up everything with the Class 3 chassis, and being able to R&D other things that Mullen is working on. Because one thing that Mullen spoke on last year, and it has went rogue, guys. We haven't heard anything else about it, and that's that solid polymer state technology. We haven't heard anything else about that. That was one of the key things that drew me into Mullen. And with them having that $5 billion on hand, I do believe that that will put them where they need to be. So me personally, I would have bought into that news, not before. Because news like that, guys, I would have had a huge window in opportunity once it was announced to make some money. Anyone that felt as though that it was a need to jump into Mullen early this morning was just greedy, ladies and gentlemen. And that's why I made that video last night saying, do not buy Mullen today. And in the video, I explained why. Everyone will have a window to make some money off that news. If you buy it early in the pre-market, all you was going to do was face downwards pressure until the news came out. But when Lawrence got to talking, everyone knew the news isn't coming out, and that's why we tanked to that 72 cents here. Let me see the live chat really quickly, see what you guys talking about. Yo, trade, I don't invest, I'm only in for a short squeeze. See, there you go, Sammy. So, like in Sammy's situation, waiting until the news comes out, because Sammy is a trader, not an investor. Waiting till the news come out. The only time that you play things pre is earnings, because earnings is a guaranteed announcement, whether it's good or bad. We all know it's coming out. This was a rumor that Mullen didn't even confirm real or not. So that did give a lot of people speculation that it may be true. But I do believe that if we don't hear anything about this, Mullen should be held accountable, as well as Lawrence Harge, but more so Mullen, because you're letting this guy do this. If he came out publicly and said something of such, and I'm pretty sure you guys caught wind of it, and you didn't let your shareholders know that this was totally false or it's not a guarantee, I do believe that a class action lawsuit should be made. Shout out to Steve for becoming one of the early seat OGs. If you have been keeping up with the channel, guys, you know early seat is what we started and built the channel from. An early seat is always an easy seat, but not in this case, ladies and gentlemen, not in Mullen. Yes, I'm a bull when it comes to Mullen. I've been in Mullen. I've been talking about Mullen for a long time, for quite some time. That was my first alert over in our Discord server, if you do remember it, in our major buy alert section. I remember the day like it was yesterday. February 23rd, 2022 was my first ever major buy alert over here in our Discord server. And I've been talking about Mullen ever since, ladies and gentlemen. So me making that video yesterday saying do not buy Mullen, I hope you guys didn't get it wrong. Me thinking that Mullen is a bad company. As you guys see here, February 23rd, 2022, the share price was at 70 cents on that given day. And this is why a lot of people love our Discord so much, guys. We hit shit out the park like it ain't no one's business. But if you look at here on the 23rd, called it here at 70 cents. 3 days later, it was trading at a high of $1.95. But totally, what is that? 20 days later, we were seeing $4.18. All right, so I've been around Mullen for quite some time, guys. I even know the full story, getting the reverse merger with Net Element back in November. I know the whole story. I was in the market when Mullen got listed, ladies and gentlemen. I've seen all the bad news that was going around it. Everyone was saying it was a scam company off jump just because they took a reverse stock merger into getting listed. And for those that don't understand a reverse stock merger, that is instant dilution upon getting listed. Soon Mullen got listed in the market. All the Net Element shareholders instantly started dumping their shares because they instantly was in the profit. During that reverse stock merger, majority of Net Element shareholders just started selling their positions. And that's why Mullen started tanking here very vastly. Okay, and while they were tanking very vastly, the company had to issue shares out to the public to stay afloat. And that's why we are here now, and Mullen themselves don't even own a controlling stake in the company, ladies and gentlemen. And that's a key sign that I knew for a fact that PIF wasn't in talks with Mullen trying to acquire a controlling stake, because they wouldn't come to Mullen to do so. As you guys can see here, the insiders / individuals is anyone that is working for Mullen. This is the total. This is the shares that is being withheld by Mullen. Okay. Now you will get the difference if you add all these shares up. Oops, sorry about that. I clicked. Let's go here. Boom. If you add all these shares up on these individuals, ladies and gentlemen, you will get the difference between the share float and the total share count. Why did Lawrence Hards just pop up here? Okay. But so with that being said, Mullen only owns slightly over 10 million shares, ladies and gentlemen. So if PIF wanted to acquire a 51% stake here in Mullen, they would just go to the open market. Why? Because it's 162.9 million shares available in the open market. And all they have to do is acquire 51% of 172.51 million. And I'm pretty sure that isn't going to add up to $5 billion. That's another reason why I felt as though that I need to make that video for everyone to not buy Mullen today until the news comes out, because news that big, we may see the stock run at least for about 20 minutes, guys. And I'm talking about a 200% gainer off of that. We may see the share price run up to like $3, $3 to $4. But it wasn't going to do that in 2 to 3 minutes, guys. We all would have had a window to make a quick day. But those wanted to jump the gun, hop in the stock early this morning, took the time out to write a comment on yesterday's video saying, you know what, once the news come out here tomorrow, I want you to make an apology video saying how wrong you were. But I'm not here to tell you guys how right I were. I am here to tell everyone, stop following every YouTuber you hear. All right, it was some very Neanderthal things said. I stayed away from it, but I continued to spill out the truth. Far as that $5 billion landing in the market cap, I fizzled that FUD out. Some people said I was wrong, I'm lying, I'm a bear, I'm working for the shorts, a whole bunch of stuff. But I'm here to let everyone know today's drop in price may offer a great short cover situation here tomorrow for short positions that was taken here today and yesterday, ladies and gentlemen. Go back to Thursday. I want you guys to check this out. Thursday. Remember Thursday when Mullen ran and none of us knew why? I sure didn't know why. And anyone that said they knew why, more than likely lying to you. But let's check this out. The reason why we saw that run here Thursday, guys, at 19.06% gain at the close, is because a lot of covering went on this day. And the reason being, guys, is because if you remember, that news came out saying that it was going to be announced between Friday and Tuesday. Well, shorts probably felt as though that probably had some truth to it, and they did a lot of covering here Thursday. Friday, not so much. We do see short positions being taken heavily here on Friday just by looking at the block orders. 1.89 million in net outflow in favorment. We all know that extra large and large scale tends to represent movement and trading from large institutions and or hedge funds. Now today we did fall short sale restricted, I believe. Let me go back to our 15-minute chart. Yeah, though, guys, don't forget to leave a like on the video and don't forget to share the video. Someone needs to inform Lawrence that they already made a movie basically about him. It's called The Cooler. I got to check that out, Chris. I'm most definitely going to check that one out. But let's see here. Did we fall short sale restricted? I believe we did. Previous close was 80. Yeah, we fail at short sale restricted. We're pretty close to it if we didn't. Let's get that really quickly. I think we did fall short sale restricted here today. Our low of 70 cents. Yep, we fell short sale restricted here today, ladies and gentlemen. So with that being said, tomorrow will be an entire day of SSR, which we may see some covering going on from this huge drop. I know if I was a short, I would be covering here today, especially any short positions, especially if I carried over from Friday and still holding. I will be covering for sure here tomorrow for that easy game. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to brush everyone up on that. I am bullish when it comes to Mullen, but here on the Making Easy Money channel, I am not here to tell you what you want to hear. I'm going to always give the truth, and that's it, ladies and gentlemen. So, yeah, I will be making a detailed video on Mullen, my expectations here for the remainder of the week. So if you do want to check that out, make sure you have all post notifications set to all, so you will be alerted each and every time I drop one of these videos. And I just want to shout out for those that did make it out to the live stream for sure. We're going to start doing these live streams much more often. I noticed that you guys like these a lot. So with that being said, I'm going to let you guys go, and I'm about to be dropping a video on C3 AI. I know a lot of you are over in the Discord asking me, Obi, where are we headed to? You guys know this is my favorite play in the artificial intelligence sector. Not only that, if you have been keeping up with the channel, I was letting everyone know the month of May is going to see a huge rally run in semiconductors, artificial intelligence stocks, and ChatGPT. And the reason why I knew that, guys, I was just going off earnings. Honestly, I was just speculating NVIDIA earnings. Also, we do have some other major players in the semiconductor sector here early in June as well that will be reporting earnings. So I do believe that we're going to see a leak of continuation of this rally in these three sectors here early in the month of June. So I will be giving you guys an update here on C3 AI, as well as a few other artificial intelligence plays. If you do want me to review that in this upcoming video, make sure you drop that in the comment section below. Not the live stream, ladies and gentlemen, because I will not be able to see this. Yo, my boy Josh, Yoshi, y'all know Yoshi. He's hitting it out the park each and every day on the Discord server, guys. We even made some nice money here today. Just check out the MBM testimonials. Nice solid trading day. Nice solid trading day overall. Let's check it out. BL made some bread. Yes, sir. I like to see the members making money, guys. Shout out to Stock Wizard. He's back from his vacation. Ben Simmons. Oh, yeah, he scored. Yeah, man. I don't even want to click TK's message. TK is a wild one, man. Wild one. But yeah, though, guys, be looking out for that C3 AI update. Man, if you did make some money in C3 AI, let me know in the comment section below. And if you're not in any semiconductor, now I wouldn't say semiconductor play, artificial intelligence or ChatGPT concept stock, you are missing out, guys. This is like the early movement of the EV market. This is giving me those vibes. So with that being said, I think this stock is headed towards a $10 billion market cap within the next 3 years of sustainability. And this is why I like this one, guys. So be looking out for that video, and may the gains be with you all.